Bethany's surfboard after the attack. Life or death. On shore, a crowd gathered around Bethany. Now she finally felt the pain. She passed in and out of consciousness. She felt so cold. People wrapped her in towels. Soon, an ambulance arrived. The paramedics thought that she might die. She'd lost so much blood, and it was nearly an hour's drive to the hospital. The island's twisting roads slowed down Bethany's rush to the hospital. The ambulance driver pressed down on the gas pedal. How much time did Bethany have? At the hospital, surgeons cleared out the operating room so Bethany could be rushed in. They gave her blood. They cleaned her terrible wound. Bethany was going to survive. Bethany had lost 70% of her blood by the time she reached the hospital. Kauai's Wilcox Memorial Hospital, where Bethany was taken after the attack.
We are going to pause here and continue the rest of this biography tomorrow.